Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the work safe. Turn the circuit off and confirm 0 voltage with a tester. Once done, label each conductor so you can restore correct order later. Now expose the connector block and clear nearby wiring for room to work. Insert a small flat blade or pick into the terminal slot to release the locking tab while you gently pull the wire with needle nose pliers. Keep steady pressure. Releasing the lock first prevents damage to the conductor and terminal. You'll now focus on stubborn or recessed terminals. Position a secondary pick under the terminal body to support it, then depress the locking tab fully. This stops internal springs from grabbing the conductor. Pull straight out. Twisting can splay the terminal legs. If the terminal won't move, wiggle gently while holding the tab depressed to free corrosion or paint. Once a terminal is out, set it aside in order and inspect for bent tangs. Straighten with fine pliers before reinstallation to ensure reliable contact. To finish, verify each removed terminal for damage and replace any with deformed locking tangs. A damaged terminal will cause intermittent faults. Reinstall wires in your labeled order. Press each wire into the connector until you hear or feel the lock engage, and then restore power and test continuity. If a terminal remains stuck, gently apply a small amount of penetrating oil, weight, and clean residue before attempting removal again. If problems persist, stop and consult a parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.